Seeds, they may be small, but they pack a big punch when it comes to nutrition. From superfoods to surprising health risks, not all seeds are created equal. Today, we're going to discuss about 6 seeds you absolutely should be eating and 3 you might want to avoid. Whether you're looking to boost your health or avoid common pitfalls, we've got the facts you need. Stick around to find out which seeds are superstars and which ones might be doing more harm than good. Let's get into it. 6 seeds you should be eating. 1. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, dietary fiber, and lignans, a type of plant compound with antioxidant and estrogen properties. A tablespoon of flax seeds, about 10 grams, provides calories, 55, protein, 1.9 grams, fiber, 2.8 grams, omega-3 fatty acids, 2.35 grams, magnesium, 27 milligrams, 6% of the RDI. The omega-3 fatty acids in flax seeds are associated with reduced inflammation and a lower risk of cardiovascular diseases. Research has shown that flaxseed consumption can reduce LDL, bad cholesterol levels, thereby promoting heart health. The high fiber content in flax seeds aids in digestion and prevents constipation. Flax seeds are the richest dietary source of lignans, which can help balance hormone levels and reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers such as breast cancer. Add ground flax seeds to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, or baked goods. Use as an egg substitute in vegan recipes. 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, 2.5 tablespoons of water. 2. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are another excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. 2 tablespoons, about 28 grams, of chia seeds provide calories, 137, protein, 4.4 grams, fiber, 10.6 grams, omega-3 fatty acids, 4.9 grams, calcium, 18% of the RDA. Chia seeds absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, forming a gel-like substance. This increases satiety and helps control hunger, making them an excellent choice for weight management. Rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium, chia seeds support bone strength and density. The soluble fiber in chia seeds slows the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, helping to maintain stable blood sugar levels. Soak in water or milk to create a chia pudding. Sprinkle over salads, yogurt, or cereals. Mix into smoothies for added thickness and nutrition. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, or pepitas, are rich in healthy fats, protein, and micronutrients like magnesium, zinc, and iron. 1 ounce, 28 grams, of pumpkin seeds provides calories, 151, protein, 7 grams, fat, 13 grams, mostly healthy fats, magnesium, 37% of the RDI, zinc, 14% of the RDI. Pumpkin seeds are known to improve prostate health and alleviate symptoms of overactive bladder, thanks to their phytosterols and zinc content, rich in magnesium and tryptophan. Pumpkin seeds may improve sleep quality by promoting relaxation and supporting melatonin production, the antioxidants, magnesium, and healthy fats in. Pumpkin seeds contribute to reducing blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Roast pumpkin seeds with spices for a healthy snack. Add to salads, granola, or baked goods. Blend into pesto or other dips. For sunflower seeds are high in vitamin E, selenium, and healthy fats. A quarter cup, about 35 grams, of sunflower seeds provides calories, 204, protein, 5.8 grams, fat, 19 grams, mostly unsaturated fats, vitamin E, 37% of the RDI, selenium, 32% of the RDI. Vitamin E and selenium act as powerful antioxidants, protecting cells from oxidative damage and supporting immune function. The vitamin E in sunflower seeds promotes healthy skin by reducing UV damage and maintaining skin elasticity. It also supports hair growth and strength. Enjoy as a roasted snack, sprinkle on salads, soups, or stir-fries, incorporate into bread, muffins, or energy bars. 5. Sesame seeds. Sesame seeds are a source of healthy fats, plant protein, and essential minerals like calcium, magnesium, and iron. 1 tablespoon, 9 grams, of sesame seeds provides calories, 52, protein, 1.6 grams, fat, 4.5 grams, calcium, 88 milligrams, 9% of the RDI, magnesium, 32 milligrams, 8% of the RDI. High levels of calcium and magnesium make sesame seeds beneficial for bone health, particularly in individuals with osteoporosis. Sesame seeds contain plant sterols, which can help reduce LDL cholesterol levels and improve heart health. Sesame seeds contain phytoestrogens, which may help women manage menopausal symptoms by mimicking estrogen in the body. Use tahini, sesame seed paste, as a dip or spread. Sprinkle sesame seeds on sushi, salads, or stir-fries. Add to bread or crackers for extra crunch. 6. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are rich in protein, healthy fats, and micronutrients like magnesium and zinc. 3 tablespoons, 30 grams, of hemp seeds provide calories, 166, protein, 9.6 grams, fat, 14.6 grams, omega-3 fatty acids, 2.5 grams, iron, 13% of the RDI. Hemp seeds are a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids. This makes them particularly beneficial for athletes and individuals looking to build or repair muscle. Rich in omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, hemp seeds help reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Add hemp seeds to smoothies or protein shakes, sprinkle on salads, oatmeal, or yogurt. Blend into sauces or dressings for a nutty flavor. 3 seeds you shouldn't eat. 1. Apple seeds. Apple seeds are small and easily overlooked when eating an apple, but they contain a compound that can be harmful in significant quantities. Apple seeds contain amygdalin, a natural compound that releases cyanide when metabolized in the body. Cyanide is a potent toxin that interferes with cellular respiration, making it difficult for cells to utilize oxygen. While swallowing a few seeds is unlikely to cause harm due to the small amount of amygdalin and the seed's tough coating, consuming a large number of crushed or chewed seeds can lead to cyanide poisoning. Symptoms include headache, dizziness, nausea, and in extreme cases, respiratory failure or death. To avoid any potential issues, always discard apple seeds instead of chewing or blending them. If you enjoy juicing apples, ensure the seeds are removed beforehand. 2. Apricot seeds. The controversial cancer cure. Apricot seeds have garnered attention in recent years due to claims that they can fight cancer. However, scientific research warns against their consumption due to their toxicity. Apricot seeds are rich in amygdalin, much like apple and cherry seeds. Upon ingestion, amygdalin breaks down into cyanide in the stomach. A synthetic form of amygdalin called Laetrile was promoted as a cancer treatment in the 1970s. Proponents claim that it selectively targets cancer cells while sparing healthy ones, but scientific studies have debunked these claims, citing no significant benefit and potential risks. Some sources market apricot seeds as a natural remedy for various ailments. But these claims lack robust scientific backing and may mislead consumers into ignoring the seed's toxicity. Symptoms include weakness, confusion, shortness of breath, and even coma in severe cases. Many health authorities, including the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, warn against consuming apricot seeds due to their potential for harm. Avoid consuming apricot seeds, whether raw, roasted, or in supplement form. If you encounter products marketed as containing vitamin B17, another name for amygdalin, exercise caution and research thoroughly before considering their use. 3. Tomato seeds. Unlike the seeds mentioned above, tomato seeds are not overtly toxic, but they pose specific health risks for certain individuals. Tomato seeds are rich in insoluble fiber and can be hard to digest for individuals with sensitive gastrointestinal systems or conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Tomatoes are high in oxalates, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones in susceptible individuals. The seeds, in particular, contain a significant portion of the oxalates found in tomatoes. Some anecdotal evidence suggests that tomato seeds may exacerbate inflammation in people with gout or arthritis, though more research is needed to confirm this link. If you're prone to digestive issues or kidney stones, consider desting tomatoes before consuming them. Blended or strained tomato products, like sauces and soups, are often safer alternatives.